guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge again that Hillary from Old World Home is hosting. She does these challenges per season, so it's summertime, so here we go with a new challenge. I'm really excited. I had so much fun the last time, so I'm looking forward to doing it again this time. So this time I went to the thrift store again and was looking for something in particular for my 4th of July party. Every year my husband and I have a big 4th of July party. It's when we got engaged, so it's really special to us. So we've decided that every year now we're going to have one. So I was looking for something in particular for my dining room table and my table in my living room because I don't have any decorations currently. So I thought of a few ideas that I was gonna do, but then when it came down to it, I found something in the thrift store that I thought would be perfect and a lot of fun, and all of a sudden it just like popped out to me, so I'm really hoping that it works out. So I found this box, and it's really dusty and it's in pretty good shape, to be honest, but it's got these little, I don't know if you can see it, there you go. It's got these little vases filled with flowers, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the vases out, hopefully, and pull them all out, and then I have a Cricut machine that I got for my birthday, and I'm going to do USA in each of these little boxes. So it's already in the navy blue, so I'm going to do the USA in the red. So we'll have that 4th of July feel. And then also when I was there, I saw this, and I thought it was really cute for flowers, so I picked it up. So together, this is $1.98, and then this one was $3.98, so it was about $6. So it was a little bit over the $5, but I just grabbed this because I thought it was cute. I might not even use it for the challenge, but I'm definitely going to try this. So we'll see, and hopefully it'll work. So come with me while I try to transform this into a 4th of July picture frame. I thought if I took the hanger off, then the back would just pop off, but then I realized really quickly that the back was attached to the square part of the frame. So what I had to do was pry the frame part off of the box. Once I got it off, I started working on getting the flower pots off. This ended up being a lot harder than what I was expecting, so my husband recommended me using a putty knife because it's real flimsy, and I was able to get right underneath of each of the little pots and pop them right off. And I worked with each one of them until I got them completely off, and then I scraped off the glue from each of the pots. I was able to get them off. However, when I took them off, I don't know if you can see right here, this chipped a little bit. I'm gonna see, I know my husband has a little bit of white paint, and I think if I just put just a dab of white paint, you probably won't even be able to notice. And I'll make sure that this is on the U side, so it's pretty big and it won't be as noticeable. But I'm so glad it came apart, yay! So I'm gonna clean it up now, and then paint up this little teeny bit, and then I'm gonna go on my Cricut website, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the USA. So we'll see. And here I just used some wood glue to glue the frame back onto the box. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you some of my other decorations for 4th of July. Be sure to be on the lookout for another video where I will give you a tour of our outside, including our brand new landscape. And here it is, what you've been waiting to see. I'm so excited about how this turned out. It's amazing what $5 and a little bit of creativity can do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.